Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom voice model on 11 labs. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the 11 labs website and click on the voices option. This brings you to a page very similar to this, and all you have to do is click on the my voices section on the top corner here, and then scroll to this section that says add a new voice on the right. So click on add a new voice. Now with this you can click on new, which will help you design an entirely new voice from a text prompt. Now you can design a new voice based on what you input in this search in the input bar, or you can also clone your voice for with only 10 seconds of audio. So all you have to do is record a 10-second audio and upload it to the site, and it will help you create a voice model very similar to yours. You can also create a professional voice clone, and you can also choose from a library and modify any voice of your choice. But as you can see, these voices, the ability to do this all come with the fact that you have to be on the creator plan for these voiceovers to work. Now personally I'm on a I think I'm on the starter plan, so I do not have access to the creator plan. So if you are interested in getting the creator plan, you can um, go for it, and you'll be able to clone your voice or design a voice entirely from scratch with a text prompt. So this is how to create a new voice model on 11 labs. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving your comments below. Thank you, and do have a great day.